Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, October 18, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 18, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 38 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 15 million pesos for October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.